Hi everyone, my name is Samar and welcome to my kitchen. I'll be showing you how to cook simple and delicious meals at home. In this video, I cook a dish that was selected by my followers on Twitter or X. It's a Thai peanut stir fry inspired from Sam the Cooking Guy's YouTube channel. I'll include his video and recipe below. It seems simple to make and delicious. Alright, let's dive in. First up are the ingredients. You can see pretty much everything I use here. And don't worry, I'll include them and the specific amounts in the video description below. Feel free to adjust or change the ingredients as you like. In the end, I think the most important part in learning how to cook is practice. Now, we'll dive into the prep part, where we prepare our ingredients so that when it comes time to cook, everything will be ready to go. For our steak, I cut it into 2 pieces so that it'll be easier to slice. Seasoned it with some salt and pepper, and then cut into thin slices. The thin slices will reduce the amount of time it takes to cook. Give the red pepper a wash, slice and dice it. And place them in a bowl. Do the same for the onions. Slice up the green onion for our garnish. Now to make the delicious sauce. Add all the ingredients into a bowl. Give them a stir and set it aside. Alright, now that everything is prepared, we're ready to start cooking on the stovetop. Alright, turn the oven on, add some oil. And then we can put our beef in the pan. Stir the beef around for a few minutes until it all starts to turn brown. And once the beef's cooked, you can set them aside and we can use the oil to cook our vegetables. Add in our red bell pepper and onions. And mix them up until they all start to soften. We're getting close to the end. Now we can start cooking our noodles in a separate pot. For the noodles, I just used some instant ramen I had on hand without the included seasonings. Add some water and cook them until the noodles start to soften up. You can add the beef back into the pan with the vegetables. And now that the noodles are ready, we can bring them from the noodle pan to the saucepan. And finally, we can add our peanut sauce and mix everything up together. Wow, it looks and smells so good. It's time to start plating it up. And lastly, add our green onion and sesame seeds for a garnish. And now, the Thai peanut stir fry with noodles is finished. I think overall it was an easy dish to make and it was very delicious. I also asked my dad to try it and he said he really enjoyed it. We rate this dish 5 out of 5. I hope you find this video helpful and that it motivates you to get in your kitchen and cook something. Thank you for watching, and if you'd like to follow me, please visit my Twitter or X page. The links are in the bottom of this video description to get more regular updates and help me decide what to cook next. Bye!